guys, welcome to my channel, Tetronics Technology. On my channel, we review latest tech releases and we learn some hacks. Now, today we are going to learn how to download the Play Store, the Android Play Store on the Firemax. Now, before you can have the Play Store on the Amazon Firemax, you first have to enable installation from unknown sources. Now, to do this, you have to go to Settings, and then you go to Security and Privacy. So you have to now click on Apps from Unknown Sources. So by default, you only see Silk Browser, which is the default browser that comes with the device. So you have to now tick the Silk browser to enable installation of APK from the Silk browser. So now we are done. So we have to now launch the Silk browser, and then we start downloading the required APKs that we need in order to install the Google App Store. So we launch the Silk browser. Now you can download the APK from any APK provider. What I do is I normally use the APK mirror where I download my APK stuff. So the first app or the first installation that we will do is we will need the Google Account Manager. So in your search bar, you can search for Google Account Manager. Now, the Google Account Manager, we have various versions. So you can download any version at all, which I expect to work. But normally, if your version doesn't work, then you have to download a lower version. So you can choose to download any one of these first. So you click to download. So now after downloading, you have to go to your downloads, and then you see your APK file that you have downloaded, and then you will click to install. So the Google Account Manager. So when you click on install, and you are done. But I've already installed this, so I won't click on that, but you have to install this. So let's assume that is done. So next, we have to download another required app or required APK, which is the Google Services Framework. So we will search for Google Services Framework, and then we hit a search. So then again, you can download. Now after downloading, you go to your downloads, and then you see your Google Services Manager. Google Services Framework. So this is your Google Services Framework. Because I have already installed that, we normally get an error. So like we did to the first one, you have to install this as well. So let's assume this is done. So there is a third one and then a fourth one. So the third APK that we need to download is the Google Play Services. So we have to download the Google Play Services APK. Then we hit our search. So you can download any version, but normally if your version doesn't work, try download a lower version, and that will work. So we go to our downloads again, and then we will install our Google Play services. Because I've already installed that, I'll get an error, of course, but you have to go ahead and install that. So we have a final APK, which is the main APK that we need in order to download Android apps onto the Firemax device. So the last APK is the Google Play Store. So you then again you search the Google Play Store, then you hit your search and download any version at all. Oh, sorry, I clicked on the wrong version. I think I clicked on let me check. I clicked on the Wear OS. So apart from the Android TV and then the Wear OS, you can download any of the versions. So these ones are for TV and then watches. So you can download any of these ones. Let's say this version 38.6.11. So you download and then you go to your downloads, you look for it, and then you install. All right. So we have installed all the 4 required APKs that we need on the Firemax in order for the Play Store to function properly on this device. So these APKs are, and now one thing you have to know is you have to download these things in the order that I've mentioned them. So first, you have to install the Google Account Manager. That is the first one. Now, 2, you have to install the Google Services Framework. Now, 3, you have to install the Google Play Services. And then 4, you have to install the Google Play Store. So now, we have our Google Play Store on the Amazon Firemax device. So this is the Play Store over here. And then we have the Firemax Amazon App Store as well over here. So when you click on the Play Store, you will see that we have all the Play Store apps in here. So you can download any app at all that you need from the Play Store, and this is going to work perfectly on the device. So let's try one of them. So let's say we want to download Shazam. Let's install Shazam for instance. What other app? Let's say CapCut. Install CapCut. What again? What can we install this device? Okay, I don't need any of these. Okay, let's install Spotify on this, and then I think this will do. Because I already have most of the apps that I need on this device. Let's say we can install Firefox. Yeah. So now let's go back and check on the apps that we have. So you can see our Shazam here. You can see I have WhatsApp already. It is the Android version. I have Instagram. I have YouTube. I have Gmail. So normally, if you don't have all these services on your device, you would realize that YouTube wouldn't work, Gmail won't work, and all the Google connected devices or Google connected apps are not going to work, like the Google Maps, Google Sheets. All the Google apps won't work if you don't have all these services installed on the device. So now let's try out YouTube to see if everything is functioning properly. So once YouTube is working, then you know that you have installed the services right and you are good to go. Any other Android app can be installed on the device and can be used very well. Now this is awesome. I mean, to know that the device can run on, let's say, literally two operating systems, which is the Fire OS and then the Android. Now the Fire OS is actually based on the Android 11, so I mean it makes it quite reasonable to be able to use the two side by side. So I hope you have enjoyed this and looking forward to more tutorials and more videos. Thank you, and once again, have a good day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Now, if you're in Ghana and you need to buy this device, please contact 024 776 4481. 024 776 4481. Just contact him and place your order. You can either collect it from a shop or you can request for a delivery at a small fee. Thank you.